Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through behaviour intervention plans. So what is a behaviour intervention plan? A behaviour intervention plan addresses problem behaviour in individuals experiencing learning, socialising, or functioning difficulties. With these plans, individuals can implement positive behaviour in educational settings or otherwise. Professionals can monitor and modify behaviours as needed and work towards a collaborative approach. The plan aims to reduce or eliminate target behaviour and consists of a description, the contributing factors to the behaviour, as well as the positive interventions and consequences that will be implemented to address it. The plan is highly flexible and can be used by parents, teachers, counsellors, therapists, and more. Here's how to use the plans effectively. The first step is to fill out the first part, consisting of all basic information of the client. You will then need to outline the intervention or strategy, as well as the responsibilities, timeline, and expected outcome. Finally, you'll then need to complete with the client's feedback following the interventions. To access our sample behaviour intervention plan, click on to carepatron.com. The templates can be accessed within our platform within the community section. Filter by notes or assessments, and type in the keyword to find the note faster.